So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with 3 simple ways to fix Instagram comments not showing. So the very first way is to force restart your Instagram app. For this, go back to home screen. Now after this, close the Instagram app from the background. Like this. Once done, wait for a few seconds and then relaunch the Instagram app. Now once you do this, you should be able to see Instagram comments. But in case the issue is still not fixed, then turn on airplane mode on your device and then turn it off. For this, swipe down from here to open the control center. Now here, tap on this airplane icon to turn on airplane mode. Now this will turn off mobile data and Wi-Fi. Wait for a few seconds and then tap this icon again to turn it off. Now once done, connect to mobile data or Wi-Fi again and then check if you can see Instagram comments or not. In case you still face issues with the Instagram comment, then reinstall the app. For this, go back to home screen. After this, long press the Instagram app icon. Now here tap on remove app and then tap on delete app. Tap on delete. And this will delete Instagram from your device. After this, open the Play Store on your device. If you have Android, then launch Play Store. Now here, tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram. After this, tap on this icon to install the app. Wait until the process is completed. Once the Instagram app is installed, tap on open. Now log into your account. Now once you do this, you should be able to see comments on Instagram. So this is how you can fix Instagram comments not showing. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.